All right, I'm here with Jess. Finally, Jess, this has been a long time coming.
It has been way too long.
She was just looking at her dog, if anybody was like, why is she looking down at the ground? So Jess and I are old friends, and she had her van built out professionally by Mark at Nomadic Customs, and she finally finished it up, got everything you wanted to get done, and then, you know, it's great, it looks beautiful. Oh, and then she's selling it. What? Why, Jess? Why? We're gonna get into all of that in this video. What's going on? You know, I love this girl. She's amazing. So, can we show off your van? Can we do this?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's go. This lovely animal is very protective of Jess and her van. Can I come in?
Yes.
Okay. You sure?
Great, you leave it. Leave it. Good girl.
Wow, she was good. She just barked at me viciously a minute ago. All right, so Jess, walk me through pretty much everything you got going on in here. You have, you know, first of all, what do you have as a van?
I have a 2019 Mercedes Sprinter, and it's a 170 body.
Excellent. Is it a 4x4 or two-wheel drive?
Two-wheel drive, rear wheel.
Love it.
But we put all the weight over the tires. So I've got the water jug over one tire and the battery is over another, and she survived a whole winter in Colorado.
Yeah, you made it just fine. You've got a bench set up right here at the beginning. You just got a bench set up, you got, it looks like a countertop, and then what's going on here? So walk me through just your whole design process of everything.
Yeah, this is really kind of the kitchen area. We got the swivel seat, the winter 62 ounce down here.
How do you like
with
that?
The fridge, freezer. I like it a lot. It's a lot of Tetris, but no matter which fridge you get, it's going to be the same. So
I'm actually going to sit down in your swivel and talk to you a little bit. I'm sorry that I'm actually sitting and you're standing.
No problem.
You know, I always talk a lot about these chest style fridges. Is it a hit or miss? Do you want the door? Whatever it is. You were very adamant about the chest when I started talking to you. Yeah.
And I don't regret it whatsoever.
Not so whatsoever. Good.
A lot of the standing ones have that glass see-through door, and then you kind of have to look at your mess all day, and I'm OCD. I don't want that.
Also, I love how you did it underneath a bench top, or if other people did it underneath a countertop, it's not like slides that come out. So good job. I love that. Or Mark, good job.
It's dual use, yeah. Definitely a seat and the fridge, so.
And then you have your rest of your kitchen setup, it looks like.
Yep, we got a huge sink right here.
Oh my God. Yeah, massive sink actually. Was this a collaboration of what you told Mark?
I ordered all the supplies.
You did, that's right. I do remember this now.
Yeah, when he saw the sink, he was like, okay, bigger than I thought, but let's do it.
Let's make it work.
Let's do it, yeah.
I believe the layout was actually your idea as well.
The original one was. This final one was kind of me, Mark, and I. It's evolved probably 10 times, so.
During that process, it was amazing. And I got to see it all. And for people that don't watch my channel regularly, I do want to point out, we did a partial tour. Remember that?
Yep.
It was kind of cool. Way back when. You have another, looks like just workspace, countertop space. How is that?
It's great. And then, I mean, this is my only countertop space, really.
Okay.
So it serves as my desk when I'm sitting here, my kitchen when I'm here.
Okay.
It's everything. And then we got the oven underneath.
Oven. That is an oven.
That is, yep.
You can like bake in that thing.
Oven air fryer too.
Air fryer? What? Do you know the brand?
I'm spoiled. Cuisinart.
Cuisinart? Is it electric or is it propane?
It's electric.
Really?
Yep. No propane in here.
How do you have, what's your power in here? I actually don't remember.
I have a 360 watt solar on the top.
Yep.
And then 305 lithium ion batteries down below over here.
305.
Yep.
Out of sight, out of mind, you also have what, in my opinion, best heater in the market.
I do.
Okay.
Yes. I've got the Radiant Heated Floors by Van Life Tech.
And you went there because...
full time in Colorado.
Yes, thank you. That's what I was getting at.
Yeah.
Colorado, you were in this during the whole winter.
I was, and I was on the slopes most of the winter.
Really?
So it was cold, it was brutal, but the heating system stood up to it.
So you've got an amazing heater, you have a cute dog,
I do.
You have a beautiful build so far, you've got these black walnut countertops.
Yes.
Why the heck are you selling Jess? Can we say? Are we okay?
We can, yes. So a child's seat requires a back seat.
Oh, no.
Little baby coming won't fit in here without a whole bunch of rearranging.
Congratulations on that front.
Thank you.
So that's first and foremost. Little baby Jess is coming, and we need to take care of, you know, him or her, right? Yeah. So let's do that first and foremost. This I was always amazed when you went with it.
It is
that was your
beautiful,
first
isn't it?
choice.
Yep.
What is it, and how the heck did you get it?
It's a Japanese shishigaban.
Yep.
So it's a Japanese cedar, I guess is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
It's really cool because it's fireproof, waterproof. We ran it the whole way through, and it was a woodworker in Portland.
Yeah.
7 different kinds. So
You did the walls, you did the ceiling with it, and you did the whole back area with it, which we're going to get to.
runs all the way through.
What are you leaning up against?
Oh, shower.
Shower.
Yep.
Full on shower. Have you used it? Is it worth it? What's your take on this?
I wouldn't go without it.
Okay.
A lot of people asked me today if I would have done the 144. No, because I wanted the shower, even in a pinch. It's great to get in, rinse off, get out.
Okay.
Not luxurious at all, but
How much water did you carry?
24 gallons.
Yeah. And that obviously you actually, can I say you're former military?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Jess, you are former military.
Former Navy. Yeah.
So you're probably used to taking quick showers.
Used to the 3-minute showers. Yeah.
Okay.
Granted, the shower was a little bit bigger. I think it was a 36 instead of a 24 by 24.
Fair enough. Fair enough. That's what you guys had in the military was
36 by 36.
Really?
Yep, on the
and,
ships.
And on the ship. So you were on a ship.
Yep.
Can you say the ship?
USS Wasp out of Japan. So,
Wow.
Yeah.
How many on the ship were with you?
Oh, there were 1,500 of us stationed on it, but when the Marines came on, we had about 5,000.
Oh,
so.
those damn Marines.
I know.
So, toilet, what'd you go with?
Toilet, I went with the Thetford. It's just a cassette toilet. It's got the one tank in there.
How do you like that? Over like maybe a compost?
Compost would have been nice, but I would have had to do a bigger shower.
That, yeah, and would you be okay with cleaning the compost? You know?
I mean, I'm okay with cleaning this one.
Okay.
And granted, I only go number 1 in there. It's still a chore.
Yep.
Like I said, the main thing is space.
Right. Do you know what you and Mark use with the tiles?
So these are vinyl sticky tiles, is what they are.
They are pretty cool.
And I got another adhesive from Amazon that I rolled on them. In addition to the sticky that was already back there. And so these have actually stayed. And then we put the just a natural grout in between.
Beautiful. Lots of storage, I see.
Yes, all the way through.
And Mark, I think, probably did his thing that he loves with his water in here.
Yep, we did a wastewater under here. It doesn't have the automatic drain yet, so I'm still lifting it out and doing it myself. But
that's okay.
I mean, it's only dishwater, so it's still only once a week that I have to empty it.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, that works out really nicely. What about the shower? Where does that drain?
Shower drains straight out.
It does?
Yep.
And people in van life don't understand, we do use what, biodegradable soap?
I use all biodegradable. I actually switched to apple cider vinegar.
Did you really?
And soda.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Wow.
Can drain anywhere.
Go you. Go you.
Thanks.
This was also a big must for you.
This
And
is.
I'm assuming this is your closet.
It is. And I put 3 mirrors on the inside. Bad idea. Mirrors are heavy. So we had to reinforce the hinge up here with some bolts.
Did it swing open and break?
It broke, yeah.
No.
Yeah, it ripped out 3 times.
Did it
before I gave
really?
in to the bolts.
Oh my goodness. So you just
Yeah.
put these massive bolts in
I
here.
did, yeah.
So-
Straight through the hinge.
Don't put heavy mirrors on your doors.
Yeah, they're not worth it,
Oh,
guys.
fair enough. Look at that.
You'll find a full-length mirror somewhere else.
Immediately the first thing I see when I get back here is I'm going to pan up here because the sun was blaring in there. You were very adamant about this thing.
Yes. As you can tell, there's no other windows in here. So this is my airflow, my light source, and it's, I mean, protection oriented. Single female in a van. I didn't want windows.
Yeah, Mabry was not with you at first.
No, she was not.
Right.
So.
Did I say that right, Mabry?
Yeah, Mabry.
Okay, cool. Mabry was the dog, everybody. This was your idea of how to do it. I love that you went with this Skylight. It's the Dometic Heki, I believe.
It is the Heki 3.
A Heki 3?
It is.
I didn't even know they made a Heki 3 at this
well,
point.
They don't anymore.
Oh, they don't? It's like
Off the
discontinued?
market, yeah.
Oh my goodness. How much do you love it? How much do you hate it? What's going on?
I wouldn't trade it for anything. No.
Wow.
It was definitely the right decision.
You can fit that because you have the 170.
Yep.
Practically. If I remember correctly, did Anthony put in bracing or anything like that?
Yeah, so the Sprinter comes with 3 roll cages. We had to cut 1 out, so we put an additional 2 in, and then it's steel all the way around the frame
Nice.
of the window.
Very nice. And I believe you did your trim. You
Yep,
did this
I
trim.
Did the trim. My
Yeah.
uncle and I did it.
Oh, awesome. All right, so your bed setup is a little bit not like bad interesting,
No,
but just
it's-
interesting. And it's pretty cool actually. So This is your couch and your workspace?
Yep, this is the couch during the day. Can I open these?
Yeah, you can open them, yeah. I close
these
them for everybody that, for just camera purposes,
Okay.
but she's going to open them now. Go ahead.
Just to get yeah. So then you can just sit here and you got the breeze and you got everything going.
Yeah, I love that. And then you wanted, this is other countertop space or workspace?
Yep. So under here for the bed, you've got 2 drawers that slide out.
Oh, wow. Massive drawers, actually.
Yes, I've got a supboard in this one, so that gives you an idea. But this one, and then I flip this single board and I've got a desk right here with the view out the back.
Oh, okay. That's really nifty.
Yeah.
Do you do it often?
Not as often as I thought I would.
Okay.
To be honest, I'll just make this into a day bed and use this whole thing as a countertop. That's what I do.
Smooth too, absolutely. Yeah. And then does this the traption completely come out? Is that how that works?
Yeah, do you want me to go ahead?
No, you don't have to do it all. Guys, she's pregnant. I'm not going to make her do work. It's plain and simple. I'm not doing that to you. I'm not getting roasted on YouTube because I made a pregnant girl do work.
Girl had to make her bed.
Yeah. So guys, if you want to see the bed made up, check out our Instagram. How's that? What is your Instagram?
Jess.bidwell.
Jess.bidwell, which is your last name apparently.
Yep.
Awesome sauce.
Yes.
Jess, you had it done out by Mark. Would you suggest having it? No, we're not gonna blast Mark or anything. But would you have it done out by a builder, or would you try to take all this on yourself?
Honestly, I wanted to take it on myself.
Yeah.
Stubborn.
No, you military girl, come on.
But it sat in the driveway for 3 weeks, and I was too scared to even start working on it.
Yeah.
Luckily, I got a hold of Jarrod.
Yeah, you reached out to me on Instagram, I believe, and I was like, "Yeah, come on down here."
I got a $60,000 van sitting here that I'm afraid to touch. Yeah, so he hooked me up with Mark, and the rest is history. Now, the second one I'm gonna do myself. Now that I've got
the second one. There's already a second one in the works.
There's a bread truck going together in my head.
Oh
yes.
no! And we talking with a child seat?
Yep, it'll have a back seat and a little cave area for her.
Aw,
yeah.
Sweet. And obviously Mabry's coming along as well.
Yep, Mabry will be there.
It has to be there.
She will be.
Very, very awesome. So you've been full time in this for how long now?
The build took 8 months, and then I've been on the road for about 16.
Wow.
So 2 years full time.
Isn't that crazy? I've known you for that freaking long already.
Yes,
oh my God, where did the time go?
It flies.
It really, really does. I actually want to talk to you about this metal contraption here.
Okay.
Is it flying off? What's going on?
I have not had any issues with it.
Okay.
And when I went on Amazon to purchase it, I made sure other van lifers had tested and tried it. So.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Was it just you bought it that way, like a magnetic strip?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then did you put this in? Was this you?
This is actually very special to me. It held the flowers at my grandma's funeral.
Aww.
So it was just kind of bringing her in here, and it worked as a spice rack. And
okay, so are we selling this with the van?
we are. I know. But, I mean, honestly, the whole van is so special to me.
Okay, fair enough.
It breaks my heart to sell it, but
okay, fair enough.
She's in one piece, and we're gonna keep it that way.
Is this your only cooking method? Do you have an induction?
I do have an induction. I just keep it down here.
That's fair. You don't have to take it all out.
In the summer, I don't use it every day, but I do use this every day. So it's just
what is this? The Ninja?
Countertop space. Yep, the Ninja.
You make smoothies?
Smoothies, yeah.
Is that why I've got all this fruit here?
I do. Yep.
I just cupped your fruit. Okay. Have you had any issues? Maybe van life? Was it everything you hoped it was? You've been here 16 months. Obviously, we know now that you're leaving because of different reasons. If this blessing didn't come to you, would you possibly keep going or what?
I would keep going, but I'd want a home base.
Interesting.
So maybe a tiny house on a plot of land somewhere that I could go to decompress on once every 6 months. That would be awesome.
Once every 3 months, once every 6 months, once every 2 weeks, whatever it is.
Whatever I needed.
Absolutely. So that's maybe the goal for Jess moving forward?
Well, the house in Montrose will be my home base from now on.
Well, you never mentioned that. You just brought it up just now.
True. So I did go ahead and buy a house in southern Colorado where it was affordable.
So beautiful there.
It is.
I can't wait to visit.
Between Telluride and Crested Butte, so I am blessed.
So
yes.
you have Telluride, which is some of the best skiing in the country, which I know you're a snowbird.
Yeah.
And then you have obviously some of the best hiking as well.
Yep, and then I got Blue Mesa right there, which is great fishing and boating, and
wow.
Moab's an hour away.
It really is. I'm actually pretty close to you currently where I'm at, but I'm gonna have to come and visit you. Awesome, Jess. I'm so proud of everything that you've done and accomplished and where you're going. I'm so happy to call you my friend. So, anything else you want to share with me?
Did you want to look more at the electrical components, or?
How accessible are they?
They're easy. They're right here.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sure you've seen it before. It's Miles' system mixed with Mark's system, but...
And a little bit of Troy. That's actually Troy right there. And then you've got Miles and Mark together. Miles from Light Harvest Solar, and obviously Mark from Nomadic Customs. All built this out. This is so accessible. I mean, all your breakers are right there, just in case something blows.
Yep, the fuse box is right next door here too.
Oh wow, look at that. So I am assuming that the water is actually underneath your couch here.
Yep, so we put the water on top of the passenger tire, and then the battery is on top of the driver, just to keep the weight distributed.
Absolutely. You took up a lot of storage with all your electrical components and your heated floor system.
I did, but I showed you the drawers underneath
But you gained it with all of that.
And we still have all this back here.
Is this all empty?
This is all storage. Yep,
Oh
all
my
sporting
goodness.
stuff. Yep.
All against your backrest? Mm-hmm. What'd you call it? All what? Sporting?
Sporting.
Okay.
Yep. All the hobbies.
All the hobbies.
Uh-oh.
No, we're good. We just had some dogs yelping at each other, guys, outside. Jess, again, you're freaking awesome.
Thank you.
Is this a water pump switch?
It is, yeah.
How much do I love that your water pump switch is so accessible next to your water, like your sink?
It's great. You just can't get lazy. I was lazy at first. I would turn it on and off with wet hands. Not a good idea.
Why? Because it was short out?
Yep, it shorted out the first
Did it
one
really?
in, so I went ahead and put another one in, but
that's okay.
I mean,
Jess, oh my God, I can't believe you. I can't believe this is all done. And I can't believe you're getting rid of her.
I know.
It's sad. She doesn't want to get rid of it.
I'm going to list her for sale on one platform because I do not want to sell her at all. But
all right,
I know in my heart of hearts that
it's the right move for you. And also at the same time, if I will also pin in the comments that it is sold once it's sold. So you guys stop hitting her up, please, if it is already sold. But all of the contact information would be best where to reach you. I'll put the, you know what, send me the link and I'll put the for sale link in there.
Yeah, that sounds great.
All right, thank you, Jess. And other than that, guys, say goodbye to her. Please give her a follow at jess.bagwell, right?
Jess.bidwell.
Bidwell, Bagwell. I always screw that up. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. So Bidwell, Jess Bidwell. I swear, guys, I'll get it. All right, bye, Mabry. Poor girl.
Oh, hi.
All right, see you later, Jess.